people. We need to get this topic over with once and for all. When I say all, we just need to get over with this topic. I'm tired for a debate with people. I'm tired for a debate with my family. I'm tired for a debate with my friend. It has stressed me out now. I'm hurt. It's like, I want to know who have better manners. Kids from Jamaica, me honestly feel say pitney, when them train the right way, nobody in this world can compare with Jamaican pitney in terms of manners and thing. So I want to know the difference between Jamaican pitney who have manners and the American. Honestly think that Jamaican pitney have manners more, because number one, if your mother tell you, say Daniel, go take up the pot for me, son, and you go talk about, me soon take up that man. Bumbuck, boy, when me just don't lick you down, when me just tell us if you go take up, eh? Go take up the pot, and I have to lick you in your eye back. No, America, me never put nobody in a categorization. America, for instance, Tom, can you go take up the garbage? Bitch, I ain't ready to take up no garbage, bitch. What you talking? Okay, honey, just take your time. Oh, the fuck? Oh, American pitney have more manners than Jamaican pitney. No, the topic can't bother me. You see the difference? American children is completely different than Jamaican pitney. Jamaican pitney is so much more mannerisable because we learn we learn how to have respect with elders. That's how we brought up, that's how we grow up. That's why we can go anywhere in the world and anybody can say, yo, them love us. You see me? When I say American children, some don't have manners, because they never pit in this world. But the point of the fact of the matter is, Jamaican pitney is much more mannerisable, have more manners than any other pitney in this world. Because if you flip yourself, go have a stick attack. Go have a stick attack, and then kill we. Because they have different type of beating, They have one type of beating. They have some Jamaican parents, they have some type of beating. Then we ask that question and say, Daniel, what you left your yard for? Mommy, what you left your yard for? Daniel, they have another type of beating. It's like them get like them talk some type of gibberish. Me know, can pitney them, when them forget beaten, and them give the parents them beaten. So for instance, son, where I told you to come in like 11:30. I know it's 1:30. Where have you been, son? Bitch, don't say nothing to me, bitch. Bitch, you don't give a fuck about me, bitch. Bitch, I do my own shit, man. But if you ever call a Jamaican mother bitch, me blood clear. You have to turn back the bitch and spell it back way. Me I tell you can't mess with a Jamaican mother, someone we dead. If your mother ever fling brush off of you and you get licking all in your ribs. Remember last time I go flip with my mother. I'm go tell her, she tell me say at church time I say, mommy, me not going to church. I'm go took off like so, I'm round the corner. Me say like the corner is so the corner bend way around. And me say, I swear to God, me don't know how the brush reach me. The brush reach in my ribs, me I tell her one of my bone crack. The fact of the matter is Jamaican pitney, me not see nobody else in this world who have more manners than us as Jamaican kids, because we grow different. We grow of a discipline, manners, respect for other people and stuff. So I want to like and subscribe to my YouTube page. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. Get your friends and come watch me. Get everybody to come watch me. It's a taboo crime. I start a little empire. So big up on yourself or support me and thing. But I want to give me the feedback. Who has the more discipline and manners?